Welcome to More Rich Cuisine, my desi kitchen with a western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of mini crustless chicken. These miniatures crustless quiche are perfect handheld bites. Serve warm or at room temperature. You can bake them up to 1 day ahead, or you can make a batter a day ahead. Whisk 3 eggs, 1½ cup of milk, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Season it with half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk until blended. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley and 1 chopped tomato, seeds and juices removed. Then add your cooked chicken. It is like around 1 cup, very finely chopped. Stir to blend. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and grease a regular size muffin tin with the oil. Now spoon the batter evenly into the prepared muffin tin. And now bake them for 25 to 35 minutes depending on the size of your molds, or until golden and puffy. The smaller mini tins will take less time. Transfer to a rack to cool for 2 minutes. Then unmold and let cool for 10 minutes and serve warm or at room temperature. So here's my mini chicken crustless quiche. You can add mushrooms in it. You can substitute parsley with the cilantro or with tarragon. There are endless possibilities. I serve them with banana Nutella crepe. For the recipe, there is a card on the side. Just click on to get the recipe. I'll see you next time. For more free recipes right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe.